Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a comparison between GliaCloud, that is GliaCloud, versus Whale.io, the ultimate AI video creation showdown. Are you struggling to choose between GliaCloud and Whale.io for AI video creation? We've got you covered. In just a few minutes, we'll break down the key differences so you can pick the best tool for your needs. Let's dive in. When it comes to their AI voice video creation, GliaCloud turns articles into videos, while Whale.io has AI-powered video generation. When it comes to customization, GliaCloud has basic templates and editing, while Whale.io has advanced editing and branding. When it comes to voiceovers, GliaCloud has AI voices available, while Whale.io has human-like AI voices plus upload. You can even upload your own. When it comes to stock media, GliaCloud has a limited free library, while Whale.io has large premium stock library. When it comes to pricing, it's affordable for small businesses if you want to use GliaCloud, but it has higher costs and more features if you use Whale.io. When it comes to ease of use, GliaCloud is super easy, great for beginners, while Whale.io has a slightly steeper learning curve. When it comes to what they are best for, GliaCloud is best for quick automated videos, while Whale.io is best for high quality branded content. So you can see that you need to choose GliaCloud if you need fast, budget friendly AI videos from articles, and go for Whale.io if you want more control, branding, and premium stock assets. So which one suits your needs? Drop your pick in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech showdowns. See you in the next video.